Hey guys, it is Danielle Meadows-Stinnett with Octane Design Studios, and today I am demoing one of our other popular items on our shop, which is our DIY photo card templates. This is something that is very popular on our store, octaneonetsy.com, where I have quite a bit of DIY templates that you can edit from this holiday season. So today's demonstration is specifically focusing on a really cute design that has been very popular this year. I'm scrolling on down here. It's our black and white buffalo plaid happy holiday / Christmas card. So if we click on that, you can see that you can purchase it easily for $12. The reason why it is $12 is because it includes 2 designs for the price of 1. That's right, 2 styles in 1 design. I must be talking crazy talk because this is a really simple way to get more of what you want for the holiday season on a pretty good darn dollar. So let's dig into it, shall we? If you proceed through your normal Etsy purchases, like normal, you can actually see, once you finish that process, you'll actually get an automated email from Cordial, which is our software of choice that we're choosing to edit our template from. Once you receive that email, you simply click on that, and then you want to click right here at the bottom to click the link below to edit your item. So as I'm doing this, I am literally opening up a couple of documents here. As it's opening, we have a Merry Christmas. You have your pseudo photo here. And then as soon as you click on your photo, you have the ability to edit and replace the photo. So as I kind of go about here, this is some basic schematics of the Cordial template, if you will. You have the ability on the left to approve the proof, save the changes, or revert to original. So as I say all of this, you can't necessarily download your copied image or your template without approving the proof first. So again, you have 2 options here. It's the great thing about this particular design. You have option 1 and option 2. Both come with different backgrounds and the ability to literally edit your text. So I actually have a photo of myself I'm going to put in here today. I like option 2. I like the straight lines versus the more curved lines, but different strokes for different folks, right? That's the purpose of this design. So I'm going to click on this image. I'm going to simply click on replace image here in the corner. I'm going to pick myself here at the bottom here. And it's so easy to just drag and drop. Even if I had it open somewhere else, I could drag and drop this file into here. You want to hit save. Once you hit save, it's automatically going to put itself inside that box. We call this masking in the design world. So I literally just put my picture in this box. I can change my greetings and my text. So I'm actually going to put on there today, I'm going to change it to Happy Holidays. So you just click on the text, and on the right hand side you have the ability to change it. I click Happy Holidays. And of course, it's going to be not from the Joneses, as my template says. It's actually Love, Danielle Stinnett. There you go. And of course, if you don't need the secondary text, you can absolutely delete it. And that option is right here. Technically, I don't need it, so I'm going to remove it, hit delete, and that is off my design entirely. In case you are particular about your capitals, you can always go back and click on this text, edit it however you like. The only thing that's not really as movable, of course, is the background and the clip art that's on here as well. So a simple card design that you can use. Once you approve this design, you literally can, well, save changes first, obviously. We want to always save changes, but we want to approve our proof. Once we approve it, it's going to ask, are you sure? Because you can't make changes after you approve the proof. This is super important in the design process as you guys confirm the edits that you're making. If you're ready to go, you hit that yes button. Once you hit the yes button, it's going to ask you if you want to download now or if you want to download later. I'm going to hit download now because I want to be able to go and print that off immediately. So download now. You have the ability to choose from a PDF or a JPEG at any point in time. You can choose either option. So I like working with PDFs because that's just kind of how I am, but I'll do JPEG today. So I'm going to download a JPEG. It's going to ask me specifically if I want to download all the files, because remember there's 2 styles in one. So remember which style you picked. I picked style 2, I believe. There I am. And I'm going to not show trim marks because I don't need them for this particular design. But maybe in your PDF you do for, trimming purposes and all the things. So that's what you would use. Show trim marks. I don't need that for this design. So I'm just going to go straight to download the JPEG, which is what I'm doing now. Once you download the JPEG, it will go straight to your downloads on your computer, and this is where it leaves us in our hands and goes straight into your hands, if you will. So for the black and white Buffalo JPEG, I'm going to pull that up. I'm going to show it in my Finder. And this is so super easy for you to download. You literally can download it, print it, just as easy as that. This is my printer settings. Mine could be very different from yours. I like being able to put 2 on a page to save time and energy. So this is what that looks like if we were to print it today, right now, as is, for my home, which I don't necessarily need today. But this is a great way to show you how quick and easy it is to edit our DIY templates straight from Octane on Etsy. I hope this has been very helpful to you. We have so many other options on here for you to use. Kwanzaa's coming up very soon, so we have options for that as well on our store, as well as our custom wrapping paper options and all the cute candid phrases for kids. All is not calm and joyful as you can be. So I'm hoping that you guys choose to continue to follow Octane Design Studios during the holiday season. If not, continue to follow us after the new year as we continue to pivot ourselves into more online teaching services and online teaching classes as we go into 2021. Thanks for watching today, and I hope to catch you soon.